Namaskar and welcome. Here are today's Asli Kahani making waves across India and around the world. IAF Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla has made history as the first Indian to reach the International Space Station aboard Axiom Mission 4. Following a successful SpaceX docking on Thursday, he was warmly welcomed by the IISS crew. Only the second Indian in space after Rakesh Sharma, Shukla addressed the nation, "Mere pyare deshwasiyon, thank you for your immense blessings. It's a privilege to be here and view Earth from this vantage point." His journey is seen as a key step towards ISRO's 2027 Gaganyaan mission. Back on Earth, India's economy is reaching the stars too. US President Donald Trump hinted at a very big deal with India following a pact with China on 27 June, emphasizing tariffs of up to 45% on non-cooperative nations. India's Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal confirmed a key India-US trade meeting this February to forge a mutually beneficial bilateral agreement aimed at scaling India-US trade from $190 billion to $500 billion. This comes as Trump announced 26% reciprocal tariffs on Indian goods on April 2nd with a 90-day tariff pause ending July 9th. At least 16 people were killed and over 400 injured in Kenya during mass anti-government protests on 25th June. The marches on Wednesday were called to mark the one-year anniversary of the 2023 anti-tax demonstrations. The unrest spread across 23 countries with police accused of using live fire. Businesses were looted and torched with massive destruction reported. Outrage grew following the police custody death of blogger Albert Ojwang. Rights group and the UN condemned the violence, warning against excessive force and drawing parallels to Kenya's authoritarian past. On June 27th, the sacred Jagannath Rath Yatra began in Puri, Odisha, drawing over 30 lakh devotees and thousands of foreign pilgrims. Over 10,000 police personnel were deployed for security. The deities, Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, embarked on a 3-kilometer journey to Gundicha temple for a 9-day stay. This vibrant ritual, rooted in ancient Hindu tradition, is believed to grant salvation to those who witness it. The return journey or Bahuda Yatra is set for July 5, 2025. Prada's 1 lakh Kolhapuri chappals, Nordstrom's 4,200 Jhola bags, a 1.6 lakhs basmati rice sack coat, and even the humble mortar and pestle, once staples of Indian homes, are now luxury global trends. At Paris Fashion Week 2026, Louis Vuitton unveiled a Mokshapatam-inspired set by Mumbai architect Bijoy Jain, spotlighting India's 2,000-year-old game. As Desi designs grace elite ramps, Indian craftsmanship finally gets its due, blending cultural identity, pride, and artisan legacy into the fabric of global fashion. On June 27th, India declined a UN Aviation Agency offer to assist in the Air India crash probe that killed 260 people in Ahmedabad on June 12th. The unusual ICAO request came amid criticism over delays in black box analysis and limited press briefings. India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau is leading the inquiry, with the US also involved. The move has raised questions over transparency as aviation experts stress swift international cooperation under ICAO's Annex 13 norms. Wrapping up, we welcome you to the universe of Asli Kahani, where stories aren't told for views but for change. Like, share and subscribe to support journalism that slows down, digs deep and doesn't talk over you. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you think. We'll be back shortly. Until then, be smart, be alert, be aware, and most importantly, be Asli.